Hi guys, I thought I'd shoot a quick video just to show you that life on the farm isn't all sunshine and nice views. Our horse got laminitis again, and she has to have a, I think you call it muzzle thing over her mouth to limit the amount of grass she can eat, because laminitis is it's caused by the grass, or I think it's the sugar in the grass. And since she's a clever horse, she knows how to take off the muzzle. So this week and maybe a few days next week, she has to be someone has to be with her when she's grazing with the muzzle on, to make sure she keeps it on. And hopefully next week we'll start taking it off, and then she can be left on her own. And earlier this week the weather has been nice, and it hasn't been any problem watching her. But today the weather isn't so nice. But I'm doing all right. Got my pipe, and I'm in the cover of a tree here, so I'm doing quite fine, even though it sounds maybe that I'm complaining a bit. But mostly I'm worried about our horse. So that's about it. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.